this lila. Krishna would have said, well, that's very nice. All right, so I paid you quite a bit. And you said that I've already given you advance payment. Like Amazon, you make the payment first and then you get your goods. So you already paid in advance. You're saying that I paid you so much from the beginning, first time you ever saw us, and I glanced at you, and so many gems. But then you're saying Dehi Dasyam. So how will you serve me? I have so many servants, Raktak and Patrak and Payoda, and so many servants in my house, hundreds of them. So where is there any space or need for another servant? Even though you're paid, you've been paid and you've already been paid so much, and I don't know if there's any service for you. So then they would say, no, no, no. When you put on your golden turban, because not only do you get dressed in Nandagram by your sakas and your servants over there, but also you get dressed in the kunjas and your kunja palaces. So who's going to dress you there except us? And we're experts.